Let us start with next one. That is question number 6. Denaturated alcohol is. So here one should know the meaning of denaturated alcohol. This denaturated alcohol can also be called as methylated spirit. So it is also called as methylated spirit. And this denaturated alcohol or methylated spirit is a mixture of 90% of alcohol plus 9% of methanol, followed by 1% of poisonous substances, where this poisonous substances like pyridine, 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 and acetone or petroleum oil is added to it. So when we go with the meaning of this denaturated alcohol, since the denaturated alcohol is a mixture of 90% of alcohol and 9% of methanol, hence the correct answer is option A. And here we should know the meaning of, here there is one more option called as rectified spirit. You should know the meaning of rectified spirit also. So here rectified spirit means 95% of alcohol plus 5% of water is called as rectified spirit. So let us go with the next one, that is question number 7. When we start with question number 7, anisole can be prepared by the action of methyl iodide on sodium phenate. The reaction is called as, so first let us write the reaction. So one is what? Methyl iodide is made to react with what? Sodium phenoxide. So when methyl iodide is made to react with sodium phenoxide, here what happens? Na will bind with I to form NaI. So what is left out still? C6H5OCH3. That is nothing but methyl phenyl ether is the product obtained along with the formation of NaI. So here this can be analyzed as reaction of alkyl halide with sodium alkoxide, which is giving rise to what? Ether. Hence the reaction is termed as Williamson's ether synthesis, which is given by the option D. Now let us start with next one, that is question number 8. Catalytic dehydrogenation of a primary alcohol gives, okay, let us write a reaction for this. Let us consider a primary alcohol. Okay, so here one should know that a primary alcohol is one in which one of the hydrogen is replaced by an alkyl group. So this is the representation of an primary alcohol. So dehydrogenation is possible when the primary alcohol is heated with copper at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. So here one of the hydrogen attached to OH group, here one of the hydrogen is eliminated as a proton. The negative charge of oxygen shifts here and this hydrogen gets eliminated as an hydride, so that we are going to get RC double bond O single bond H along with the removal of hydrogen in the form of its gaseous phase. So here it is nothing but what? Aldehyde. Hence the major product that is obtained is an aldehyde, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 9. Among the following, which is least acidic in its nature? Okay, now let us write all the structures that has been given. First structure is what? Para-nitrophenol. This is the structure of para-nitrophenol. The second option is para-chlorophenol. This is the structure related to, this is phenol. This is nothing but para-chlorophenol. Next one is phenol. Option C is what? Phenol. This is option C. And option D is orthocresol. So here majority of the students get confused with this. Cresol is nothing but OH binded with CH3 group. Since it is orthocresol, methyl group is binded at ortho position. This is the structure of orthocresol. So such type of questions has been asked many times. So here they are asking us to identify what? The compound which is least acidic in its nature. So in such cases, first we have to remember or we have to analyze the electron withdrawing groups present. So here when we go through with all four structures, the nitro group and the chloro group, these are electron withdrawing groups. So nitro and chloro are electron withdrawing groups. When the electron withdrawing groups are present, these electron withdrawing groups decreases the electron density at ortho position and at para position. They decreases the electron density at ortho position and para position. Hence, the acidic strength goes on, increases. But when it comes to electron donating groups, here the most electron donating group is what? A methyl group. This electron donating groups decreases the acidic strength or acidic character and they increase the electron density. So when we go through with such things, here nitro is an strongest electron withdrawing group, hence its acidic strength is greater. Here chloro is also electron withdrawing group, but nitro is readily withdrawing electron as compared to chloro. Then here para-nitrophenol is more acidic as compared to para-chlorophenol. Next, in phenol, a phenate ion is obtained which is highly acidic in its nature. Hence, for phenol is also acidic. And last one will be what? Orthocresol. Means para-nitrophenol is more acidic and this is greater than para-chlorophenol. Para-chlorophenol is more acidic as compared to phenol. Phenol is more acidic as compared to orthocresol. Hence, the least acidic one is what? Option D, which is given by orthocresol. Hence, orthocresol is least acidic in its nature, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 10. The best method for the conversion of an alcohol into an alkyl chloride by treating the alcohol with. So here, in haloalkanes and haloarenes, we have studied that the preparation of chloroalkanes in the pure form can be done by a method called as what? Darzon's method. And in this Darzon's method, the pure form of alkyl chlorides are obtained, in which an alcohol is made to react with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine to give what? Alkyl chloride, along with the liberation of sulfur dioxide gas, along with the removal of hydrogen chloride gas. Since these byproducts are gases, the alkyl chloride will be obtained in the form of its pure state. Hence, the correct answer for the question is option B, which is given by thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine.